bra, bra. I need to buy a new bra. I need to buy a new bra. Panties, panties. I prefer cotton panties. I prefer cotton panties. Panty liner, panty liner. I use pantyliners on light flow days. I use pantyliners on light flow days. Period, period. I have my period every month. I have my period every month. Sanitary pad, sanitary pad. I always carry a sanitary pad in my bag. I always carry a sanitary pad in my bag. Overflow, overflow. My pads overflow during my period. My pads overflow during my period. Menstrual cup, menstrual cup. I use a menstrual cup instead of pads. I use a menstrual cup instead of pads. Tampon, tampon. I use tampons during my period. I use tampons during my period. Thong, thong. I bought a new thong yesterday. I bought a new thong yesterday. Underarm darkness, underarm darkness. I am trying a new cream for my underarm darkness. I am trying a new cream for my underarm darkness. Armpit hair removal, armpit hair removal. I get armpit hair removal every week. I get armpit hair removal every week. Birth control pills, birth control pills. I take birth control pills every day. I take birth control pills every day. Menstrual cramps, menstrual cramps. I have severe menstrual cramps during my period. I have severe menstrual cramps during my period. Condom, condom. I make sure to use a condom to stay safe. I make sure to use a condom to stay safe. IVF, in vitro fertilization. IVF, in vitro fertilization. I am considering IVF for conceiving. I am considering IVF for conceiving. Pregnancy test. Pregnancy test. I took a pregnancy test this morning. I took a pregnancy test this morning. Discharge. Discharge. She notices a light discharge and visits the doctor. She notices a light discharge and visits the doctor. Pregnancy. Pregnancy. I found out about my pregnancy last month. I found out about my pregnancy last month. Morning sickness. Morning sickness. I experience morning sickness every day. I experience morning sickness every day. Gynecologist. Gynecologist. I have an appointment with my gynecologist. I have an appointment with my gynecologist. Giving birth. Giving birth. I am preparing for giving birth. I am preparing for giving birth. Breastfeeding. Breastfeeding. I am breastfeeding my baby. I am breastfeeding my baby. Menopause. Menopause. I am experiencing menopause symptoms. I am experiencing menopause symptoms. Breast pump. Breast pump. I use a breast pump at work. I use a breast pump at work. Hair loss. Hair loss. I am experiencing hair loss lately. I am experiencing hair loss lately. Body odor. Body odor. I use deodorant to prevent body odor. I use deodorant to prevent body odor. Corset. Corset. I wore a corset under my shirt. I wore a corset under my shirt. Pepper spray. Pepper spray. I carry pepper spray for safety. I carry pepper spray for safety. Nipple covers. Nipple covers. I wear nipple covers under my dress. I wear nipple covers under my dress. Tweezers. Tweezers. I use tweezers to shape my eyebrows. I use tweezers to shape my eyebrows. Armpit. Armpit. I shave my armpits regularly. I shave my armpits regularly. Bikini. Bikini. I wore a bikini to the beach. I wore a bikini to the beach. Bracelet. Bracelet. I love wearing my charm bracelet. I love wearing my charm bracelet. Earrings. Earrings. I wear earrings every day. I wear earrings every day. Ring. Ring. I wear a ring on my left hand. I wear a ring on my left hand. Dress. Dress. I wore a beautiful dress to the party. I wore a beautiful dress to the party. Breath. Breath. I brush my teeth to keep my breath fresh. I brush my teeth to keep my breath fresh. Nail. Nail. I painted my nails red. I painted my nails red. Diet. Diet. I am following a healthy diet to stay fit. I am following a healthy diet to stay fit.